Hello, my name is Jacqueline. I'm the Community Science Outreach Coordinator for the Pacific Grove Museum of Natural History. And today I'm going to teach you how to make a migrating bird using markers and paper. Now, Monterey is a fantastic place for birds to stop on their migration routes. The Monterey Bay provides great shelter to protect birds from storms and predators. It also provides plenty of nutrients and food that traveling birds may need. Are you ready to get started?
For this craft, you'll need paper, markers, scissors, string, glue, a hole punch, and a stapler. Let's start with our construction paper. The first step to making a migrating bird or a flying bird is folding your construction paper in half, hamburger style. The next step is to draw eyes on your folded piece of paper. In an upper corner along the folded edge, draw one eye. Flip your piece of paper over and draw another eye to match in the adjacent corner. Next, we are going to focus on the creative design of our bird. Unfold the piece of paper with the eyes facing down. Draw feathers or any pattern you would like to see appear on your bird's wings. Refold your piece of paper in half with your design on the inside and your eyes on the outside. Next, take the unfolded corner alongside your bird eye and roll it back towards the folded edge of the piece of paper. Now, do the exact same thing on the other side to match. The unfolded corners that are rolled back should be touching in the same place along the folded edge of your piece of paper. Use a stapler to hold these corners in place. Our bird is starting to take shape. Use a hole puncher to punch a hole along the folded edge just behind the stapled wings. Next, thread your string through the hole and tie it off. This will help you control the flight of your bird. If you do not have string or a hole punch, this step is completely optional. How can our migrating bird eat without a beak? Cut a triangle-shaped beak out of an orange or yellow piece of paper. Glue it between the eyes of your bird. In some species of birds, like peacocks, tail feathers are merely for decoration and attracting mates. But in active flying birds, tail feathers are a means of control and stability during flight. So let's cut out some tail feathers for our migrating bird. Once your feathers are cut out, go ahead and draw your feather design on them. Then glue your tail feathers near the folded edge, opposite of your beak and eyes. This is what my migrating bird looks like. Go ahead and test your bird's ability to fly by holding onto the string and swinging it around. Be careful not to hit anybody. Thank you for following along and creating with us. Please share what you made by tagging the museum on our social media pages.